Hi, I'm Brent Allen with Bluff City Gutters, and today we're going to demonstrate the difference between our product, the K-Guard gutter system, and some of these other add-ons that are filters. As you can see, this is a gutter system. It's not an add-on. We have a two-piece system. We have a machine manufacturing this on site and a machine manufacturing the hood on site. We can do up to 100 linear feet without one seam. We have this bracket that's installed every 2 feet with a 3.5-inch stainless steel screw, so it makes it extremely durable. The aluminum is actually 30% thicker gauge of aluminum than everyone else in the industry. Over here we have the filter system, which they advertise, corporate company, high pressure sales, but anyway, they advertise that the gutter will never clog. Well, that's 100% correct. There is no way that anything is getting between this and getting into the gutter. However, over a period of time, several years maybe, or even just 1 year of heavy pollen and sap falling from the trees in the springtime can cake on top of this, and soon the water is just completely overshooting the gutter. However, with their warranty, they state that it will not happen, but eventually it can happen, and that's when they come out and they give you this gutter guard brush to clean off the top. So there is some maintenance to it. With the K-Guard gutter system, if it does clog, the water spills out the front, it's not going to damage the wood again on the fascia board. But if it does, the water spills out the front, you call us and we come out and clean it for free. That warranty is transferable, meaning the new homeowner that you sell the house to gets that warranty. So please call us today at 901-949-5624, and the first 20 callers will get free installation.